Hello and welcome to this video which will enlighten us on the importance of fresh and healthy snacks for learners at home and at school. This video will also present to us some 22 very good snacks, their nutritive values and how they can promote a healthy academic performance. Before we go ahead, do well to follow, like and share this video that is aimed at helping parents make good choices on snacks for kids and students. When you subscribe, you will get notified when similar videos are posted on this channel. Also follow the links below to our website for more knowledge about best snacks for kids and students. Fueling young minds, the importance of fresh and healthy snacks at home and in schools. In the hustle and bustle of school life, it's easy for students to get caught up in their studies and neglect their dietary needs. However, providing children and students with fresh and healthy snacks can have a profound impact on their overall health and academic performance. In this video, we will delve into the importance of incorporating fresh and healthy snacks into school routines, and how they can positively contribute to the well-being of young minds. 1. Boosting brain power. Fresh and healthy snacks are packed with vital nutrients that play a pivotal role in brain function. Consuming nutrient-dense foods supports cognitive development, memory retention, and the ability to concentrate. Include snacks like fruits, vegetables, nuts, and whole grains, as they are rich in antioxidants, vitamins, minerals, and essential fatty acids, all of which are critical for optimal brain function. 2. Sustained energy levels. Students often experience mid-morning or mid-afternoon slumps, making it challenging to stay focused during class. By opting for fresh and healthy snacks, kids can maintain steady blood sugar levels, which helps sustain energy levels and prevents crashes. Avoid sugary snacks or processed foods that cause blood sugar spikes followed by a rapid drop, as they can contribute to lethargy and reduced concentration. 3. Improved nutritional intake. Children require a well-balanced diet to support their growth and development. Fresh snacks, such as sliced fruits and vegetables, provide essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber that are not only beneficial for physical health but also aids in the prevention of chronic diseases. Introducing a variety of colorful fruits and veggies can encourage kids to explore new tastes and develop healthy eating habits. 4. Enhanced immune function. Schools can be a breeding ground for germs, and a strong immune system is crucial for children to stay healthy. Fresh and healthy snacks that are rich in vitamins A, C, and E, as well as zinc, iron, and selenium, help strengthen the immune system, protecting children from common illnesses. Including fruits like oranges, strawberries, and papaya, which are packed with vitamin C, can give students an extra boost of immunity. 5. Positive behavioral impact. Unhealthy snacks with refined sugars and artificial additives can lead to mood swings, restlessness, and decreased focus. In contrast, fresh and healthy snacks provide stable sources of energy, reducing irritability and promoting positive behavior among students. A well-nourished brain is more productive, contributing to a conducive learning environment for both students and teachers. The benefits of providing fresh and healthy snacks in schools cannot be overstated. By incorporating nutrient-rich snacks into the daily routines of children and students, we can help fuel their minds and bodies, leading to improved academic performance, better overall health, and a positive learning environment. Educators, parents, and policymakers must work together to ensure that every child has access to these wholesome snack options, setting them up for success in both their academic and personal lives. So let's prioritize the well-being of our young students and invest in their future by making fresh and healthy snacks a regular part of their school day. Importance of fresh healthy snacks. Here is a list of 23 good and healthy snacks for kids and students, along with their nutritive values. 1. Apple slices with almond butter. Nutritive values: fiber, vitamin C, healthy fats, and protein. 2. Carrot sticks with hummus. Nutritive values: fiber, vitamin A, vitamin K, protein, and healthy fats. Vegetable sticks with hummus. Crunchy vegetables like carrots and bell peppers provide essential nutrients, while the protein-packed hummus offers energy and supports muscle growth. 3. Greek yogurt with mixed berries. Nutritive values: protein, calcium, vitamin C, antioxidants, and fiber. Greek yogurt is a good source of protein and calcium. Greek yogurt promotes healthy bones, aids digestion, and supports muscle development. 4. Trail mix. nuts, seeds, and dried fruits. Nutritive values: healthy fats, protein, fiber, antioxidants, and vitamins. 5 whole grain crackers with cheese. Nutritive values: fiber, protein, calcium, vitamin D, and B vitamins. Whole these crackers offer fiber, complex carbohydrates, and essential vitamins, providing lasting energy and aiding digestion. 6 mini vegetable quiches. Nutritive values: protein, fiber, vitamins, and minerals. 7 homemade granola bars. Nutritive values: fiber, protein, healthy fats, antioxidants, and minerals. Energy bars made with whole foods and minimal additives to offer a quick and convenient source of nutrients, including protein, healthy fats, and fiber. 8 edamame. Nutritive values: protein, fiber, vitamin C, iron, and calcium. 9 fruit salad. Nutritive values: fiber, antioxidants, vitamin C, and various vitamins and minerals. Fruits are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support overall health, boost the immune system, and aid digestion. 10 popcorn. Nutritive values: whole grain, fiber, antioxidants, and low in calories. Popcorn is a whole grain snack that is low in calories. Popcorn provides fiber and antioxidants, promoting satiety and digestive health. 11 cucumber slices with tzatziki. Nutritive values: fiber, vitamin C, vitamin K, and calcium. 12 hard-boiled eggs. Nutritive values: protein, healthy fats, vitamin D, and B vitamins. Hard-boiled eggs contain protein, vitamins, and minerals. Eggs contribute to muscle growth, brain function, and keep kids feeling fuller for longer. 13 whole grain toast with avocado. Nutritive values: fiber, healthy fats, vitamin E, and B vitamins. The whole wheat toast with avocado or nut butter snack provides a combination of carbohydrates, protein, and healthy fats, supporting energy levels and brain function. 14 kale chips. Nutritive values: fiber, antioxidants, vitamin C, and iron. 15 watermelon cubes. Nutritive values: hydration, antioxidants, vitamin C, and electrolytes. 16 nuts and seeds. These nutrient-dense snacks provide healthy fats, protein, and fiber, promoting brain health, satiety, and sustained energy levels. 17 cheese, a protein-rich snack that also provides calcium and vitamin D, supporting bone health and muscle function. 18 smoothies, made from fruits, vegetables, and yogurt. Smoothies offer a delicious way to incorporate vitamins, minerals, and fiber into the diet. 19 homemade baked goods. Baking treats at home allows control over ingredients, using whole grains, natural sweeteners, and healthier fats. 20 dried fruits. These sweet snacks are high in fiber, vitamins, and minerals, providing a natural source of energy and supporting digestive health. 21 rice cakes with avocado. Rice cakes offer a light and crunchy base while avocado provides healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals supporting heart health and brain function. 22 veggie pita pockets, stuffed with a variety of fresh vegetables and lean protein. These pockets offer a balanced meal and a fun way to incorporate veggies into the diet. Remember, portion sizes and individual dietary needs may vary, so encourage kids and students to listen to their body's cues and enjoy these snacks in moderation. These healthy snacks provide a good balance of macro and micronutrients, promoting overall health and supporting optimal cognitive function. They provide essential nutrients, energy, and support for growth, brain function, and overall well-being, making them ideal choices for kids and students. Before you go, do well to follow, like and share this video that is aimed at helping parents make good choices on snacks for kids and students. When you subscribe, you will get notified when similar videos are posted on this channel. Also follow the links below to our website for more knowledge about best snacks for kids and students and other important topics like important back-to-school supplies guidelines for parents, important information and communication technology, ICT, tools for students in elementary and middle schools. Must-have computer accessories for every household. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division for elementary school kids. The necessity of iPads for children's education, exploring the best brands of kids' tablets for parents' understanding. Comfortable school attire for kids, dressing for success in school. Importance of educational games for grades K-12, enhancing learning with educational games. The necessity of phones for everyone, exploring good and easy-to-use options for everyone. Essential items to make your summer at home enjoyable. Importance and qualities of good backpacks for kids, teenagers, men, and women. Importance of apps in today's social living. Preparing high school students for back to school, a comprehensive guide to a successful academic year. Top 5 good low-cost phones, affordability meets functionality. Enhancing the learning environment in the classroom. 10 highly regarded mathematics books and workbooks for students. Value of textbooks and practice books for students. Enhancing productivity and comfort, the importance of study tables and chairs for students.